Unlock the power of Control Center in iOS 18. The iOS 18 update from Apple has a reimagined Control Center with more features and higher customizability. To that end, users can now add or remove controls, organize them across pages, and access them right from the lock screen. Control Center now becomes an essential utility for every iPhone users. Here's how to get the most out of its new features within the Control Center. Adding and removing controls. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to enter Control Center. Tap the plus button or long press a blank area of the screen to enter editing mode. Swipe down through all of your existing pages until you come to a black one. Tap the Add a Control button to add a new control to the page. Choose a control from the list and tap Add to add it to the page. To remove a control, tap the minus button next to it. Customizing Control Center on lock screen. Tap and hold a space on your lock screen. Tap Customize, then go to lock screen. Tap the minus button next to a control to remove it, and tap the plus button to add a new control. Choose a control from the list and tap Add to add it to your lock screen. Assigning Control Center features to Action button. Open the Settings app. Tap Action button, then go to Controls. Tap Choose a control and select a control from the list. Tap Done to assign the control to the Action button.